having leftovers slash find what you want for supper tonight, I have some leftover soup, so I'm gonna make some cornbread muffins in case anybody wants a cornbread muffin to go with that if that's what they pick. I'm making a hamburger steak for Titus because I had extra ground beef from the soup yesterday, and I'm gonna slice up some potatoes for potato wedges in the air fryer. So it's just to clear out the leftovers and whatever kind of day. I'm not looking forward to the really cold days, y'all. We had these 2 days of like a preview of cold, and I'm remembering last winter when it seemed that the cold would never end. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to it. Bring back the 60-degree days, 60 and 70. We can hold off on these 30-degree days. Not ready for that yet. I hate wearing a coat. I don't know what happened, y'all. Years ago, like, I didn't mind at all wearing a jacket or a coat. Now I absolutely hate it. Like, I would rather be a little bit cold than wear a jacket. I don't know what's happening. Some olive oil on these and some salt and pepper. And then we'll shake them halfway through the cook time. For the cornbread, I'm just using the Martha White cornmeal mix. I have a Famous Dave's spicy kind, but I'm just gonna make the regular this time. Welcome back to the kitchen, y'all. I'm plugging up the slow cooker. We're gonna have breakfast for dinner tonight, breakfast for supper, and I'm gonna try a new recipe in the slow cooker. This is a blueberry pancake casserole. I'm pretty sure I've never tried this before. We're just gonna put together the pancake mix in the slow cooker, cover it, and it's gonna bake up like a big blueberry pancake goodness. At least that's what's supposed to happen. We're gonna find out. Okay, so we're just gonna, I'm out of spray, so I'm just gonna put some oil in the slow cooker here and rub it all around. I should have remembered to grab some cooking spray from Aldi when we were there earlier today, but I forgot. Got the Christmas music box out, Manny. I'm using this Jiffy baking mix just because that's what I have on hand, but you can use any kind of pancake mix. So on the back it has the directions for the pancakes right here. Like I said, we're just gonna mix it right in here instead of doing it in a separate bowl. So we've got the mix in there. We're gonna put 2.5 cups of milk. And we need 2 eggs. Now we're gonna make some sausage and eggs to go with this pancake casserole later. Break up the eggs, whisk this together. We're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, got some blueberries washed while our butter's melting. I think that's good. There's the butter. Now we'll stir that together, and we're gonna put in the blueberries. And that's it. We're gonna cover it, and it's gonna cook on low for 4 hours. Okay, y'all, we still have like an hour left on the pancake thing in the slow cooker, but it's almost done. So I'm thinking I put a fork in it a second ago and it's pretty much already cooked through. So I'm thinking that's only gonna take about 3 hours. Just keep a check on it. I would just keep a check.
Wait a minute, you're making sausage?
Mm-hmm, making sausage.
Gravy? Can you make the kind of gravy that
You want some gravy?
Yeah.
So we'll just cook up the sausage, make some gravy. Since we have gravy requests, it's not that hard to throw the gravy together after the sausage gets done. So we'll make some gravy and scrambled eggs. I'm making backup pancakes over here, y'all, in case that don't go as planned, because it's not looking like it's going as planned.
I mean, just because I opened up the top while ago and I thought, what was that? You know, that don't mean that that's not going to be tasty.
Tyler did the same thing.
You pop some pancake syrup on that and you don't know what you got.
Could you
Man,
stir this?
sausage is good.
Can you stir that and I'll flip this?
Mama, don't worry, I can flip them.
No, 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 no. No.
Folks, you ain't got faith in me on that right there. There we go, folks. I'm making gravy tonight. We get over here and really get involved when our kids play chess. All right, now we gotta keep stirring this gravy.
I think I'll be jotting down the top. There's a little bird, Mama.
There's our pancake casserole.
Well, what do you know?
I'm trying this out for everybody so they can know if they should or should not.
Folks, this could surprise us right
It
here.
could. We're gonna put a little maple syrup.
This is a crock pot blueberry pancake. Get them blueberries involved right there. Looks good. Without the blueberries though, I mean, I'm just saying. Let's look at it closer here without the blueberries. This part right here.
It might be a little scary. This is why we try these things for y'all. Thanksgiving and Christmas is coming up. You need to know if you should try this slow cooker blueberry pancake thing. Don't try it.
I don't know exactly what's going on there.
Don't try that at home.
There's something else in there. It ain't just a pancake taste. There's also a taste of,
Sausage?
no, it's what's in there? What's
taste.
in there, Mama? Maybe I got a bad bite.
That's a blueberry muffin.
Muffin?
try it.
It's more like a muffin.
Yeah, that's a blueberry.
Okay, so the muffin, that could
He's
be,
right. He's right.
That
I
could-
still had some spearmint gum in my mouth a
yeah.
while ago.
Does it taste like a blueberry muffin to you,
I believe
John?
we got a blueberry muffin. Ha!
It's a slow
We're in
cooker.
agreement as a family.
Okay.
We have a blueberry
Yeah,
crock
no,
pot
okay.
pancake muffin that you should pray about making
Here's the deal.
for your family.
I used the Jiffy Jiffy baking mix pancake recipe.
Mm-hmm.
If you use Krusteaz, maybe that's specifically for pancake, maybe you'll have more of a pancake
Yeah,
deal.
that's more like a blueberry.
Because this is more like a muffin. But it said pancakes on the back of the box
I mean,
for the
but
recipe
still,
for it.
put plenty of maple syrup on it.
He's not a huge fan of a blueberry muffin.
Right, I'm not. But again,
Now
you
the
know,
kids, y'all like blueberry muffins. What do y'all think about it?
Yeah,
They're liking it over there.
let me tell you something.
The kids like it. So
Put a little of this on the plate and they won't care.
I would call that a slow cooker blueberry muffin bake. That's what I would call it then.